Hello friends, welcome to our channel What to Do. Every Hurts question answered by Hurt. Nowadays, many of us have many questions and doubts about coronavirus. Due to these questions, we feel unconscious and unsafe everywhere. To free from this anxiety, our team prepared a task how to protect yourself against COVID. Before going to the prevention measures, we should know about what is coronavirus and their symptoms. Coronavirus disease is an infectious disease, means it is transferred from one person to another person. Corona is a Latin word. Meaning of corona in Latin is a crown. Coronavirus structure is like a crown. Coronavirus is a large family of virus. The first coronavirus identified in 1937, isolating one that was responsible for a type of bronchitis in birds that had the potential to devastate poultry stocks. In 1916, scientists found evidence of human coronavirus transmitted from animal to human. It is responsible for common cold in human. In 2019, CDC started monitoring the outbreak of a new coronavirus, which is SARS-CoV-2, which caused COVID-19. The first case of COVID-19 found in Wuhan city of China. Old age person and the person who has a previous medical history like high BP, heart and lungs problem, diabetes and cancer are at high symptoms of COVID-19. According to WHO, COVID-19 affects different people in different way. Most infected people will develop mild to moderate illness and recover without hospitalization. On an average, it takes 5 to 6 days from when someone is infected with the virus for symptoms to show. However, it can take up to 14 days. Most common symptoms are fever, dry cough, tiredness. Less common symptoms are body pain, sore throat, diarrhea, conjunctivitis, headache, loss of taste and smell, skin rashes. There are some serious symptoms like difficulty in breathing, chest pain or pressure, loss of speech or movement. Last and the most important point is how to prevent coronavirus transmission. First point is hand washing. Regularly wash your hand with soap and water. Second is sanitizer. If you are not able to use soap and water, then you can use a hand sanitizer containing at least 60% alcohol. Third is avoid touching the face. Many of us have a habit to touch eyes, nose and mouth with our hand continuously. If you have this habit, then stop it urgently. Otherwise, corona will knock your door. Fourth is social distancing. We all know human is a social animal. I think Corona also get this intercept and attack to stop our socialism. For some days, we need to avoid coming into close contact with and maintain 6 feet distance. Fifth is wear a mask. Wear a clean mask in public. Next point, practice yoga and pranayama. Regularly practice of yoga and pranayama helps you to stay fit and reduce your stress. 7 and last point, follow the government guidelines. Follow the all guidelines of your government, WHO and CDC. We will meet in the next video with another interesting topic. Stay tuned, stay safe. Bless us and love us through like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to press the bell icon for our latest video. Thank you.